retail. Wholesale. Wholesaler, what they are doing? They are purchasing the goods in large quantity from manufacturer and distributing those goods to the retailer. Is it? So wholesaler is connectivity between the manufacturer and the retailer. So wholesaler also helps to distribute the goods from producer to the retailer. Is it? So wholesaler are of four types: super stockist, stockist, wholesaler, retailer or wholesaler, etc. Is it? Later on in next chapter we will discuss the detail of the wholesaler and the retailer. But national trade are taken place by these two means, wholesaler and the retailer. And wholesaler are the connectivity between the producer and the retailer. They help to distribute the goods in large quantity from manufacturer and providing those goods to the retailer. Next one is the retailer. Retailer also helps to perform the national trade. So retailer is connectivity between the wholesaler and the customer. Retailer is connectivity between the wholesaler and customer. What the retailer are doing? Retailer, they are purchasing the goods in small quantity from wholesaler and selling those goods to the customer as per their need. So this is about the retailer. Next one is the international trade. International trade, that means trade is taken place beyond the boundary of country. Beyond the boundary of country, such a trade known as the international trade. And the currency which is used for the exchanging the goods and services is the currency of that country. Is it? That means India is going to export the goods to the USA. That means India and currency, there will be a conversion of currency of India and the USA will be taken place. Is it? So currency of both the countries will be used on the as a term of exchange. Now international trade are taken place by three types: import, export and the entry port. Import, that means purchasing the goods from other country. What import means? Purchasing the goods from other country. For example, India import plastic from Japan. India import plastic from Japan. So this is the import what we do. Then export, selling those goods from one country to another country. That is, India export rice to the London. India export rice to the London. That means selling the goods from one country to the another country. The next term is entry port. Entry port, we can say entry port as the re-export. Entry port can say as the re-export. One country selling their goods and services to other country and other country selling the same goods or resell those same goods to the third country or the another country, known as the re-export. That means export and re-export. One country selling those goods to the other country and other country selling those goods to the another country. For example, India export rice to the London and London export those goods to the Singapore. This way. Is it? So entry port, that is known as the re-export. So what we discussed, the branches of commerce, trade, and in trade we have discussed the definition, buying, selling and exchange of goods and services. Then we have discussed the types of trade. National trade, which are deals by the wholesaler and the retailer, and international trade are taken place by means of the import, that is purchasing the goods, export, selling those goods to other country, and entry port, re-export, resale of exported goods.